Hey friends, if you encounter the error, an unspecified error occurred on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to restore your system to an earlier date. So search for system restore. Okay, search for recovery in the Windows search bar and click on recovery here. Click on open system restore. Then select the recommended restore point, select it and then click on finish. Alternatively, you can also select some other restore point if you have that. For example, I can use this restore point, click on next and then on finish. Lastly, if everything else fails, then you need to understand that the issue is with the hard disk. You can try resetting your computer. I'll show you how you can do that. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to system, in the right pane select recovery, select reset PC, select remove everything, and then finally click on cloud download. But eventually the last option will be to replace the hard drive. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.